Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reshma's English Journey. My name is Reshma and I am from West Bengal. As you know, I am a English learner, and you can see here she is my auntie and her name is Rubina, Miss Rubina. And now I can tell you that I will tell you that how I practice my English every day. So as you see, as you can see, I am walking on the road, and this is a lot of lands. You can see this our village looks, and you can also see uh, bamboo trees. And this is my second day of challenge in speaking in public place. So now I will tell you that this how I practice my English every day. So this is my second day of speaking challenge in public place. So now you can see this is a road, and I'm trying to speak in English something. This is that how I practice. And this is corn. Actually, what is called this corn trees? I don't know. This is also corn's land. This is a house. You can see the weather is clear, fresh. It's evening time.